Do you want to add more joy to your meals? Today, we're diving into the wisdom of rethinking our relationship with food. We live in a world where food and diet culture often go hand in hand, but we are encouraged to break free from this mindset. It is important to enjoy meals and embrace the cultural connection food brings. After all, food is more than just fuel for our bodies. It's a source of pleasure, a symbol of heritage, and a medium for connection. 5 insightful tips help us cultivate a positive relationship with food. First, stop judging food as good or bad. Food is not a moral issue. It's time we distance ourselves from labels that stigmatize certain foods and promote guilt around eating. Second, avoid restrictive diets. They often lead to deprivation, which can result in overeating and a negative cycle of guilt and regret. Instead, nourish your body with a variety of foods and listen to its needs. Third, eat intuitively. Pay attention to your body's signals. Are you really hungry? Or are you eating out of boredom or stress? By tuning into your body's cues, you can cultivate a healthier relationship with food. Fourth, embrace diverse food heritages. Food is a wonderful way to explore different cultures and broaden your culinary horizons. Try new cuisines, experiment with different ingredients, and discover the joy of diversity on your plate. Lastly, view food beyond just calories. Food is more than numbers on a nutrition label. It's about flavor, texture, color, and the experience of eating. These tips aren't just about changing the way we eat. They're about changing the way we think about food, transforming it from a source of stress into a source of joy. So as you sit down for your next meal, remember, don't judge, don't restrict, listen to your body, embrace diversity, and see beyond the calories. Here's to finding joy in every bite. Now, it's your turn. Start incorporating these tips into your life today and experience the joy that food can bring. The journey towards a healthier and more joyful relationship with food begins with a single bite. Bon appetit! This video is for informational purposes only. Like, comment, share, and subscribe to Top Trending Health News Scoop to see more videos like this. Until next time.